friends, in this video module we'll be talking about how do we delete row or a column. The steps are almost similar to the way we did of inserting a row or a column. So there are also going to be three ways in deleting it. One is going to be with the help of the mouse right click button. The other two are the keyboard shortcuts. So first let's get started with the mouse right click option. Any column that you want to delete, you'll go ahead and select that with the help of your mouse and then use the right click button and then click on delete menu item. As a result, that particular column will be deleted. Similarly, in case you want to delete a row, you can select a row, right click and then use the delete menu item. For example, you want to delete a bunch of rows, which means couple of rows or couple of columns together. So select the number of rows or columns that you want to delete, right click and then click on delete button. This was the first way. The second is with the help of keyboard shortcut. So let me first go ahead and insert some blank rows and columns. Okay, so I have my columns and I have few rows. Now with the help of keyboard shortcut, when I want to delete any column, I'll go to that respective column and select any of the cell over there. And then I'll press Ctrl and minus key. What happens is I get a delete box similar to the insert box over here. And I can choose whether I want to delete entire row or entire column. So in this case, I want to first delete entire column. Once I've done that, again press Ctrl and minus and I can delete entire row. So as a result, I've been able to delete my row and column with the help of just two keyboard clicks. That's Control key and minus key. Now the alternate way is if I want to select my row and column and then go ahead and delete that. So as we can remember from our last video module, to select a particular row, we'll press Shift and space bar and then I can go ahead and press Control and minus. That particular row will be deleted. Similarly, in order to select a particular column, I'll press Control plus space bar. The column is selected and now I'll press Control and minus key. As I mentioned in the beginning of the video, this is very similar to insert. Obviously, instead of inserting or clicking on the insert button, you need to use the delete button. However, the number of steps and everything remain the same. Do try this out. Interesting functionalities, 3 different ways of doing the same thing. Let me know if you face issues. You can use the discussion box over there and mention in your comments. Thank you guys. I'm looking to see you in our upcoming videos.